Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a portfolio website on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have all of your sites in one place. We have setup, home, we have of course the settings, and we have the design sites in the bottom left corner and the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a portfolio website on Wix. So to do so, to create a portfolio website on Wix, follow these 3 steps. Firstly, of course, create an account on Wix by visiting the official website and clicking Get Started, which we already talked about. Then choose a template that suits your portfolio style. That would, of course, look like a portfolio actually. And of course, create your website as I am on mine now. Then edit your homepage, add an about page, and create a contact form. So you can add all of these pages here, where you can add elements, sections, pages, and menus, as you can see. Make your portfolio mobile ready, which you can of course also do here. You have previews here for either mobile or whichever you of course device want to preview it on. And guys, then customize CEO settings and publish your site on the top right corner. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.